Today I'm in a Mercedes A-Class and I have limp mode on engine, ESP faulty visit workshop, Chek Engine, run flat indicator unavailable, and a brake lamp drive to workshop. I suspect this problem come from brake pedal switch, and I want to take it off and replace it or repair it. You must come down there under the steering wheel and you will find two bolts over here. I have only one, I see. This is Torx T20. I think there is no need to take off this panel in total. Okay. And the switch is over there. This is the switch. The socket, I have a plug socket, I have a safety here, and the switch same. Push this and rotate to the left. This is the problem. Look, the spring of the switch must be tight and not moving like that. Let's see what we find inside. Don't use a knife like me. Use a screwdriver. Okay. Maybe it is contact from over here. It's a little bit bent and he lose the contact with this part. I will bend to the other side and let's see. Maybe it works. Maybe not. Anyway, I want to buy a new one. Okay. Inside I see a clamp, but is not in good position. I don't know if you can see on camera, but its piece is not in normal position. It's like that, and if you want, it must be like that to make contact, and now it's like that. I don't know if I can take this off. Yes, it's dead. Or maybe this part push that clamp. Let's see. Yes. I put in a normal position, and now I will put all back, install on the car, and see what happened. Okay, let's start and see what happened. Okay. I have no message, but the Chek engine is still on. I think I need to put on diagnosis tester and reset the error. But now ESP and run flat and so over, it's not on my dash anymore. I think the problem is solved. Yes. I will reset the error and I will come back with an update. The problem is not solved. The error come back and I take off the switch again, and now I'm able to show you the plate what's not is in a correct position. Okay, push down the spring, and now pull the black part out like that. Okay, this is the spring. It's very hard spring, and this is the plate, which I think she don't have the connection with this pin over here, because I see a little bit bent the connection of this pin. I don't know if you can see on camera, but this is it. Okay, this is it. Okay, and now I will put this back. like that. Okay. Spring 2 and the black part. Push the spring down and carefully insert black one over there. The switch and put it back like that. Oh, oops, sorry. Now let's try again. After all, I don't have any message, no Chek Engine, no nothing. Problem solved. All good. Bye.